There are several ways you can make money using your iPhone. Here are some ideas. Selling items. Use platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or local buy and sell groups to sell unwanted items, such as clothes, electronics, or furniture. Mobile apps. You can earn money through various mobile apps that offer rewards, cashback, or payments for completing tasks, surveys, or watching advertisements. Online freelancing. Offer your skills as a freelancer through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services like graphic design, writing, programming, social media management, and more. Photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos through stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Renting out your property. Use apps like Airbnb to rent out a spare room or your entire property to travelers and earn extra income. App development. If you have programming skills, you can develop your own iPhone apps and monetize them through in-app purchases or advertisements. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable to share your knowledge and expertise on specific subjects. Virtual assistant. Offer virtual assistant services to busy professionals or small businesses. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling administrative work. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing and earn commissions for each sale made through your referral link. Mobile gaming. If you enjoy mobile gaming, you can participate in gaming competitions or tournaments to win cash prizes or virtual rewards. Mobile banking and investments. Use mobile banking apps to manage your finances efficiently, and consider investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets through investment apps. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys through apps like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie to earn small amounts of money or gift cards. Remember, while these methods can generate extra income, they may not replace a full-time job's earnings. Additionally, be cautious of scams and make sure to protect your personal information and privacy while using mobile apps or engaging in online activities. Always read the terms and conditions of any service you use and verify the legitimacy of the platforms before investing time or money.